FoodPolicyUS is pleased to present this educational series highlighting issues and debates in our food system. Join us each week as we hear from leaders and innovators around the table.
You know, in many ways we've lost this original relationship to nature with our fruit products. You know, sometimes we'll go to a farmer's market and try to reconnect, or go to an orchard and pick our own apples or something like that. But more often than not, we get our food through a very complicated process of distribution, and not only the distribution of food, but the way in which food has been created through mechanical, technological processes, where food is processed. Now this is great for a number of reasons. It's convenient, it's safe, sometimes it's fortified. But in other ways, is caused us to lose our connection to what we're actually eating, because it doesn't look like anything that's come from the earth. I'll give a couple of examples. If you go to a butcher in the United States, you go to buy meat, we often find beautifully cut pieces of meat in a butcher's window, or beautifully packaged and under plastic wrap. Now, if you go to an old market, maybe in Europe, you will see still remnants of the animal that these things came from. So you'll see the feet or the head still on the bird, or you'll see so we've lost a bit of connection between the animal that our meat was and the meat itself. Other examples of the way in which food is processed, you can go through most of a supermarket and see foods that have no direct connection to nature. You see cans and jars and things that are packaged in the freezer section or in the refrigerated section. But in a way, we've lost our connection to where these foods themselves are the product not only of nature, but of very complicated technological and scientific advancements.